Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. The wait is finally over. Debutify Theme 7.4 is out and it's here today, which is powerful improvements and essential bug fixes. This update is specifically designed to make your store perform better, convert higher, and look stunning at the same time. Whether you're just starting with the Debutify product or you've been using it a while, today's video is going to walk you through everything you need to know about this release. So stick around because there's so much to unpack today. So let's kick things off with the exciting part. What's new in Debutify 7.4? Well, this release comes with 3 major widgets and 7 niche specific templates that will take your store to the next level. Number 1 is the Sales Pop Notification widget. First, we have the Sales Pop Notification widget, which is a must-have for building trust and urgency in your store. This feature displays real-time purchase activity, nudging your visitors to make faster buying decisions. So here's what you can customize. There's template styles, choose from square, radius edge, round left, or square right designs. There's the positioning, place it wherever you want, bottom left, top right, or even the middle. And there's animations, you can add motions with styles like the slide up, fade, or bounce for an engaging customer experience. And here's a pro tip. Use this widget during flash sales or product launches to amplify FOMO, fear of missing out, and boost conversions that way. Number 2, results section widget. Now this is another major update, is the sections widget. Perfect for showcasing customer success stories or impactful data about your product. Here's what you can customize. Result types. Use donut charts, bar charts, or pie graphs to present your data. Placement. Choose left, right, or bottom positioning for the results. Alignment. Adjust alignment to the left, center, or right for the perfect look. Now here's a use case. Imagine showing a stat like 90% of customers saw results within the first week. This builds credibility and trust instantly. Number 3, blog post widget. Now this is another major update. The blog post widget is here to give your store's blog a complete makeover. With this widget, you can showcase featured blogs directly on your store. This widget helps you demonstrate expertise, share insights and knowledge to establish authority in your niche. Engage with your audience and you can keep visitors hooked with valuable content. You can boost visibility. Blogs are great for driving organic traffic and improving SEO. So why does that matter? Adding this widget not only enhances your store's design, but also makes your brand more trustworthy and relatable for prospect buyers. There's also now new niche layouts and templates. Lastly, we've introduced 7 pre-designed niche templates that make setting up your store faster and easier. These templates are tailored for pets, pain and recovery, footwear, beauty, jewelry, apparel, home and decor, and there's more to come. So this is why you're going to love these. These templates are fully customizable and conversion optimized, saving you time while helping your store stand out in the crowd that it is. Now, let's talk about the improvements. These updates are all about making your workflow smoother and your store more efficient. 1, there's the newsletter pop-up default text. The default text for the newsletter pop-up and floating bar is now consistent. This makes setting them up easier and reduces confusion, especially for new users. Number 2, the quantity breaks widget. The quantity breaks widget has been enhanced to provide more flexibility, helping you maximize bulk discount conversions effortlessly. And now for the cherry on the top, bug fixes. These improvements ensure your store operates seamlessly. So here's a quick rundown of the bugs we've fixed. The header icon spacing issues fixed for a cleaner layout. Sort by feature resolved for vertical collection filters. The newsletter pop-up bugs. Display issues are now fixed. Blog comments, there was no longer showing when unchecked in settings. Text clipping issues, fixed border radius problems for smoother styling. Formatting in text columns with image now displays correctly. Testimonial sliders, autoplays works perfectly on mobile view. Quantity selector cache issues, fixed discrepancies for returning visitors. And here's a pro tip. Always update your theme to the latest version to avoid common issues and enjoy the latest features that will help you stand out. Debutify 7.4 is a game changer for the e-commerce stores. From exciting new widgets like the sales pop notifications and results section, to beautifully designed niche templates and essential bug fixes. This update is here to help you succeed. If you haven't already, update your theme to 7.4 today and start exploring these amazing features. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips, tutorials, and updates to grow your e-commerce store. And don't forget, 7.4 is just the beginning. We have a whole new version of the theme coming out in early January. We're very excited to bring it out. We also have an AI store builder, an amazing AI store builder that'll help you from start to finish, build your store, choose your niche, everything, the domains, integrations. We're expanding that greatly coming into 2024. We also have our new apps, the Debutify widgets, Debutify email SMS, as well, coming out early next year as well. So stay tuned for all of those amazing updates. Thanks for your time. Take care.